Bro will quit Minecraft after this. What'd you do? Oh no. He's blocking you off now. That's messed up. I think you should spawn a wither or something. Because that's pretty messed up, bro. You guys gotta be friends. You guys can't be like enemies. If you live together in the same house. Oh. Oh, what's going on? You gotta get him back. ASAP. Can't just let him do that to you, bro. Come on. Dude, there's no way he's just standing still. How? This guy's the reaction time of like a snail. Like, actually. Okay, yeah, spawn the withers, but like. Yo. This guy building's like low-key, like bad at building. Come on, there you go. Get him back now, get him back. There you go. Now you gotta go. Yeah, you're probably